Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Liege waffles, only way. Warm milk and dissolve yeast, then whisk in sugar and eggs and stir until combined. Add 5 cups of flour and knead gently until smooth and slightly sticky, about 5 minutes. Fold in 12 Oz pearl sugar thoroughly. Let the dough rest in a warm spot until it doubles in size for rich, caramelized pockets. Preheat your waffle iron until very hot, then lightly oil the plates to prevent sticking and promote browning. Portion dough into golf ball-sized pieces and press gently into the iron. Avoid overfilling to keep edges crisp. Cook each waffle until deep golden and caramelized, flipping if your iron recommends, then let them rest briefly on a rack to keep air crispness before serving warm with butter or fruit and syrup. Thanks for watching so far. If this recipe is helping you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: I love reading while my waffles cool, so the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for kitchen breaks and recipes on the go. Please check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks again. Now let's get back to the video. Serve Liege waffles warm for maximum texture, pairing them with a smear of cold butter and a drizzle of maple syrup for contrast. Try whipped cream and fresh berries for brightness, or a scoop of vanilla ice cream and a sprinkle of toasted nuts for indulgence. For a brunch twist, top with fried eggs and smoked bacon for savory sweet balance, and slice thin to share with friends and family today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.